Using gas, oil, and other fossil fuels, the combined cycle GUD process synthesizes high efficiency and environmental protection as no other form of power generation can. Innovative concepts such as our single-shaft power plant with a horizontal heat recovery steam generator utilize the benefits of this process to the full, with advanced components and system designs that reduce thermal and mechanical losses, and in doing so, push plant efficiencies to new limits.
Natural gas-fueled combustion turbine combined cycle generation technology. This produces two forms of energy, electricity and steam. The natural gas-fueled combustion turbines are highly evolved engines that use advanced controls for precision fuel burning and high efficiency. The heat coming from the turbine is fully contained and directed into a recovery system that converts the heat into steam. The steam is sent to another turbine, which spins a generator, creating additional electricity. The residual steam is further cooled into water and recirculated through the heat recovery steam generator, where the process begins again. Additional cooling is accomplished with a self-contained water system cycled through the steam condenser. This clean water system is essentially a giant indoor sprinkler system that cools the water by moving air through its cascading showers. This water is completely isolated from other components within the plant. Natural gas-fueled combustion turbine combined cycle generation technology converts up to 60% of its fuel's energy into electricity. This technology is setting new standards for emissions control